Exercise 6.3 question 11 is that find the equation of all lines having slope 2 which are tangent to the curve y equals to 1 upon x minus 3. So to this curve tangent slope will be differentiation of this equation with respect to x, and so equation is given y equals to 1 upon x minus 3. Then differentiation with respect to x will be minus 1 upon x minus 3 whole square, and so its slope is equals to 2, and so minus 1 upon x minus 3 whole square is equals to 2. So x minus 3 whole square is equals to minus 1 upon 2, which is not possible. And therefore there is no tangent to equation y equals to 1 upon x minus 3 has slope 2. Question 12, we have find the equation of all lines having slope 0 which are tangent to the curve y equals to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. So require tangent has the slope 0, and tangent of this curve means its slope. Tangent slope of this curve means differentiation of this equation with respect to x, and so y equals to, it is given 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3, and its differentiation with respect to x will be dy by dx minus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3, and x square minus 2x plus 3 differentiation 2x minus 2. Now this slope is equals to 0, and so we can write then minus 2x minus 2 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. As per question, this value is equals to 0, and so 2x minus 2 equals to 0, so x equals to 1. So it x equals to 1, y equals to 1 upon 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 3. So it will be 1 upon 1 minus 2 plus 3. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2, it is 1 by 2. And so we have the point 1, 1 by 2, and so required tangent will be y minus 1 by 2, 0 into x minus 1. And so y minus 1 by 2 equals to 0, so y equals to 1 by 2. Now question 13, we have find the points on the curve x square upon 9 plus y square equals to y square upon 16 equals to 1, at which the tangent are parallel to x axis and parallel to y axis. So slope of any line means equations differentiation with respect to x, and so x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equals to 1. So we differentiate with respect to x, then 2x by 9 plus 2y by 16 dy by dx equals to 0, and so 2 8s are, and so it is y by 8 dy by dx equals to minus 2x by 9, and so dy by dx equals to minus 16 by 9 x by y. Now for parallel to x axis, dy by dx equals to 0, and dy by dx equals to 0 means minus 16 upon 9 x by y equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 0. X equals to 0, so from given equation y square by 16 equals to 1, so y square equals to 16, and so y equals to plus or minus 4, and so the tangents which are parallel to x-axis are 0, plus or minus 4 points. Now for parallel to y-axis, slope of normal equals to 0, that is means minus 1 upon dy by dx equals to 0. So 9y by 16x equals to 0, so y equals to 0. So from given equation x square by 9 equals to 1, so x square equals to 9, so x equals to plus or minus 3, and so required points are plus or minus 3, 0, and so the 8 plus or minus 3, 0, the tangents are parallel to y-axis. We have the question 14, find the equation of tangent and normal to the given curve at given point. So first question is given y equals to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5, 805. So we differentiate with respect to x for the slope of the tangent. So y is given x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. So differentiation with respect to x is 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10, and so slope 805, slope of tangent 805 will be x equals to 0, we submit in this, and dy by dx equals to 4 into 0 cube minus 18 into 0 square plus 26 into 0 minus 10. So dy by dx equals to minus 10. And so equation of tangent y minus 5 equals to minus 10x minus 0. And so y minus 5 equals to minus 10x. So 10x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. Now slope of normal equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx. And so minus 1 upon minus 10 equals to 1 by 10. And so equation of normal will be y minus 5 equals to 1 by 10 x minus 0. So 10y minus 50 equals to x. So x minus 10y minus plus 50 equals. Question 14, third question we have. Find the equation of tangent if normal is and normal to the given equation at given point. So y equals to x cube at 1 1. So for the slope of tangent, we y equals to x cube, we differentiate with respect to x, and dy by dx equals to 3x square. And so slope of tangent at 1 1 will be dy by dx equals to 811 will be 3 into 1 square, so 3. And so equation of tangent 811 will be y minus 1 3 into x minus 1. So y minus 1 equals to 3x minus 3. And so 3x minus y minus 3 plus 1, that is the minus 2 equals to 0. Now slope of normal will be minus 1 upon dy by dx. So it is minus 1 upon 3, and so equation of normal will be y minus 1 upon 3 x minus 1. So 3y minus 3 equals to minus x plus 1. So x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Question 14, first question is there, y equals to x square at 0, 0, we have to find out normal and tangent. So y equals to x square, we differentiate with respect to x, and we will have 2x, and the slope of tangent at 0, 0 will be dy by dx equal at 0, 0 will be 2 into 0 equals to 0, and slope, we have equation of tangent y minus 0, 0 into x minus 0, so y equals to 0. Now slope of normal, is not defined, and so the slope of normal is not defined, and therefore its equation is parallel to y-axis. Passing through zero, 0, line parallel to y-axis passing through 0, 0, and so parallel to y-axis passing through 0, 0, that is x equals to 0, and so required normal will be x equals to 0. Next question 5a of the question 14 is there, x equals to cos t, y equals to sin t, t equals to pi by 4. Then find out the equation of tangent. So x equals to cos t is given, and y equals to sin t. So with respect to parameter t, we take the differentiation, then dx by dt equals to minus sin t, and dy by dt equals to cos t, and so dy by dx equals to cos t upon sin t minus sin t, which will be minus cot t. So at t equals to pi by 4, slope will be dy by dx at t by equals to pi by 4 will be minus cot t into pi by 4, so minus 1, and so x equals to cos pi by 4, which will be 1 by root 2, y equals to sin pi by 4, which is also 1 by root 2, and therefore at 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, equation of tangent will be y minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 x minus 1 by root 2. So we can write y minus 1 by root 2 minus x plus 1 by root 2. So x plus y minus 2 by root 2 means root 2 equals to 0. Now slope of normal minus 1 upon dy by dx. So minus 1 upon minus 1, it is 1. And so equation of tangent y minus 1 upon root 2. Sorry, equation of normal y minus 1 upon root 2, 1 into x minus 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 cancel, and so y equals to x. Question 15, we have find the equation of tangent to the curve y equals to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 7. So this curve tangent is parallel to this line, means tangent slope is equals to this line slope. So for the slope of the tangent, we differentiate this equation with respect to x. Then the equation is given y equals to x square minus 2x plus 7. So we differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx equals to 2x minus 2. Now for the tangent is parallel to line 2x minus y equals to 9, and so y equals to 2x plus 9. We differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx equals to 2. Now both the slopes are equal as the tangent is parallel to line, and so we can write that 2x minus 2 equals to 2. So 2x equals to 4, and so x equals to 2. X equals to 2, and so for y equals to 2, submit me here, then 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7 in the equation of curve, then 4 minus 4 plus 7, so 7. And so the tangent at 2, 7 will be parallel to this line, and so required tangent will be y minus 7 2 into x minus 2. So y minus 7 2x minus 4, and so 2x minus y minus 4 plus 7 will be 3 equals to 0. Now again it is given, find the equation of tangent to the curve y equals to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is perpendicular to 5y minus 15x equals to 3. This is the second question of the question 5. So here y equals to x square minus 2x plus 7, and so dy by dx will be 2x minus 2. And here 5y minus 15x equals to 30. So 5 dy by dx minus 15 equals to 0. And so dy by dx equals to 15 by 5 equals to 3. Now the tangent is perpendicular to this line, and both the slope multiplication is minus 1, as tangent is perpendicular to x minus 2 into 3 equals to minus 1. So 6x minus 6 equals to minus 1. So 6x equals to 5. So x equals to 5 by 6. Now x equals to 5 by 6 we submit here. Then y equals to 5 by 6 square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. So 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 plus 7. So 36 is the LCM we take. And 25 minus 60 and 7 into 36. 252 by 36. And so 252 plus 25, 277 minus 60, 217 by 36. and so required tangent will be y minus 27 by 36 equals to 3 into x minus 5 by 6.